Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can open up a Temu seller account. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the Temu Seller Center. As you can see, currently I'm on their main page and you're going to sign up for that account. I won't be going through this process because it does require you to give certain documentation, which I don't have, and it would take a long time anyway for it to be confirmed. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to their FAQ to go over their instructions. Now, there are 4 steps which you need to go through. You need to enter your business information. They accept businesses, including corporations, partnerships, and sole proprietorships. And you also have the option to join as an individual seller, which I think most of you guys will want to do. After you're done with that, then you need to provide your information, which includes the certificate type, the address, and the seller name. Then you need to set up your Temu store by adding the name, logo, and contact information, and then you just need to complete the verification process. Now, the documentation that you need for becoming a Temu seller, for individuals, you need a full legal name, you need citizenship, date of birth, place of birth, residential address, a government-issued driver's license, ID or passport, and an ID expiration date. As for businesses, you need the business name, the business type, the employer identification number, the registered business address, and additionally, beneficial owners, legal representatives, or executives may need to provide a legal name, citizenship, date of birth, residential address, government issued driver's license, ID or passport, and an ID expiration date. Pretty much the same ones as for the individual applicants, except with the exception of one of these, which is the place of birth. But it is what it is. Once you're done with that, and once the verification has been completed, you can start selling on Temu, and you do not have to pay any fees in order to become a seller. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.